Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of 3D printing and counting down the top 5 best 3D printer filaments for your projects. Whether you're a hobbyist, artist, or engineer, choosing the right filament can make all the difference in print quality and ease of use. Let's get started with our picks. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Sunlu 3D printer filament. The world of 3D printing continues to grow, with new innovations making the process more accessible and efficient. One such advancement is the use of high-quality filaments that cater to diverse printing needs. Sunlu, a notable name in the 3D printing industry, offers a filament that boasts eco-friendly attributes and reliable performance. In this video, we will dive into the pros and cons of the Sunlu 3D printer filament, highlighting its key features and assessing its strengths and potential drawbacks. Pros: eco-friendly and biodegradable. One of the standout features of the Sunlu filament is its eco-friendly nature. Made from biodegradable materials, this filament is an ideal choice for environmentally conscious users who want to minimize their carbon footprint while pursuing their 3D printing projects. Its sustainable composition supports responsible manufacturing and disposal practices. Bright and vibrant colors. Sunlu filaments are known for their bright color quality, which helps produce eye-catching and aesthetically appealing prints. This attribute is especially beneficial for artists, designers, and hobbyists who need vivid results to bring their creations to life. The consistent color distribution throughout the spool ensures that prints maintain their intended appearance without fading or dull spots. Low shrinkage and warping. Warping and shrinkage can be significant challenges in 3D printing, affecting the accuracy and success of prints. Sunlu's filament addresses this issue with its low shrinkage properties. This quality helps maintain the dimensions of printed objects, reducing the frustration of distorted or uneven prints. Its resistance to warping is particularly advantageous when working on larger or more complex models. Cons: potential sensitivity to moisture. Like many PLA-based filaments, Sunlu filament may be sensitive to moisture. Exposure to humid environments can lead to issues such as brittleness or inconsistent extrusion. To maintain optimal performance, users should store the filament in a sealed, dry container or use filament storage solutions with desiccants. The Sunlu 3D printer filament stands out as a versatile and dependable option for those who value eco-friendliness, ease of use, and aesthetic results. With its low shrinkage, compatibility with various FDM printers, and bright color quality, it is an excellent choice for hobbyists, artists, and enthusiasts. Coming in at number 4, we have the Creality Silk 3D printer filament. When it comes to 3D printing, the choice of filament can significantly impact the quality, reliability, and appearance of the final product. Creality Silk PLA filament stands out as a popular option thanks to its unique properties. Here we delve into the pros and cons of this filament to help you decide if it's the right fit for your 3D printing needs. Pros: high-quality material. Creality Silk PLA filament is crafted from premium PLA, ensuring strong adhesion between layers and high-quality print results. This characteristic contributes to precise, detailed models that maintain their integrity throughout the printing process. Users often appreciate the glossy, silk-like finish that adds an aesthetic appeal to printed items. No tangling design. One of the most time-consuming challenges with 3D printing is dealing with filament tangling. The no tangling feature of Creality Silk PLA filament is a practical benefit as it prevents disruptions during printing. This reduces the need for frequent respooling, saving time and effort while ensuring smoother operations. Versatile application. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, the versatility of this filament is worth noting. Creality Silk PLA is suitable for both FDM and FF3D printers, making it ideal for a range of printing tasks. From detailed figurines to larger, functional prototypes, the filament adapts well to various project demands. Long shelf life. With a shelf life of up to 2 years, this filament offers reliable long-term use. This means you can store it without worrying about significant degradation in quality. This feature is especially useful for those who print sporadically or stock different types of filament for diverse projects. Cons: limited heat resistance. Like many PLA-based filaments, Creality Silk PLA may not withstand high temperatures well. This limits its use for prints that need to endure heat or stress. Users requiring high heat resistance might need to look for alternative filaments like PETG or ABS. Creality Silk PLA filament stands out for its quality, ease of use, and striking finish, making it a strong contender for hobbyists and professionals alike. Its no-tangling design and smooth printing capabilities enhance the printing experience, while its shelf life ensures reliability over time. At number 3, the Kingroon PETG 3D printer filament. Choosing the right filament can make or break a 3D printing project, and PETG is increasingly popular due to its balance of strength, flexibility, and ease of use. Kingroon's PETG G3D printer filament is designed for reliable, high-quality prints, making it a competitive option for a variety of printing needs. This video explores the advantages and potential drawbacks of Kingroon PETG filament, giving you the insights you need to decide if it's the right choice for your next project. Pros: wide operating temperature range. One of the strengths of Kingroon PETG filament is its versatile temperature range. This allows users to adjust the settings to find the optimal printing temperature, accommodating different printer models and setups. The broad range enhances flexibility and ensures more stable results, especially after fine-tuning. High dimensional accuracy. With a diameter of 1.75 mm and a tolerance of 0.3 mm, Kingroon PETG boasts high dimensional accuracy. This consistent diameter helps reduce issues such as clogging and uneven extrusion, leading to smoother prints with fewer interruptions. For users who rely on precision, this accuracy is crucial for detailed models and intricate designs. Excellent winding quality. The Kingroon PETG filament's very good winding quality is a significant plus. Properly wound filaments reduce the risk of tangling, which can halt a print or damage the printer. This meticulous winding process contributes to the creation of smooth, shiny prints that maintain a professional appearance. Versatile use and chemical resistance. Kingroon PETG is noted for its acid and alkali resistance, expanding its range of applications. This chemical resistance makes it suitable for printing functional parts and prototypes that may be exposed to harsh environments or require enhanced durability. From artistic models to practical items, the wide usability of PETG ensures that users can experiment and innovate confidently. Cons. Glossy finish may not suit all applications. While the shiny finish is a benefit for decorative and visual models, it may not be ideal for all functional or matte projects. Some users may prefer a filament with a subtler, less reflective appearance for certain applications. For these cases, additional post-processing might be needed to reduce gloss. Kingroon PETG 3D printer filament stands out as a high-quality option that caters to a range of printing projects, from artistic models to practical items that require chemical resistance. Its broad temperature range, high dimensional accuracy, and excellent winding quality make it an appealing choice for users who prioritize reliability and precision. In the second spot, we have the Eryone Silk Rainbow 3D printer filament. For 3D printing enthusiasts who seek vibrant, eye-catching prints, the Eryone Silk Rainbow PLA filament stands out as a popular option. With its unique color-changing properties and glossy texture, this filament offers both style and practicality. Here's an in-depth look at the pros and cons of Eryone Silk Rainbow PLA to help you determine if it meets your 3D printing needs. Pros. Unique silk luster texture. The Eryone Silk Rainbow PLA filament is known for its striking silk-like sheen, which lends a smooth and glossy finish to printed items. This luster enhances the overall visual appeal of models, making them perfect for decorative pieces, art projects, and display items that stand out. Color-changing rainbow effect. One of the most appealing aspects of this filament is its rainbow-like color change effect. The gradual transition between colors is especially noticeable on larger prints, providing an eye-catching, multicolored look without requiring multiple filament changes. This feature is ideal for creating unique models with a dynamic and playful appearance. Neat winding and strong layer adhesion. The filament's neat winding design helps reduce potential issues such as clogging or tangling during the printing process. This ensures a smoother print experience with fewer interruptions and maintenance. Additionally, the filament's strong layer adhesion helps produce prints that are durable and have a consistent finish. High quality and bubble-free. Eryone ensures high-quality production standards, which means users can expect minimal issues like bubbles or impurities. The filament is packaged in vacuum-sealed storage bags, protecting it from dust and moisture. This attention to detail helps maintain the integrity of the material, resulting in higher print success rates and reliable performance. Wide compatibility. Eryone Silk Rainbow PLA filament is compatible with most commonly used FDM 3D printers. This makes it an accessible choice for a variety of users from hobbyists to professionals who seek a filament that can integrate seamlessly with their existing printer setups. Cons. Silk texture may highlight print imperfections. The glossy, reflective surface of the silk texture can emphasize imperfections such as layer lines or small flaws. This might require additional post-processing or sanding for those who desire a completely smooth, professional look on intricate models. Eryone Silk Rainbow PLA filament is a fantastic choice for those looking to add a burst of color and shine to their 3D printed models. Its unique silk luster, color-changing effect, and neat winding make it ideal for producing visually impressive, decorative pieces. And finally, at number 1, we have the Esun 3D printer filament. 3D printing enthusiasts and professionals alike are always on the lookout for materials that offer superior performance and aesthetics. Esun's carbon fiber-filled PLA stands out as a high-strength, high-quality filament designed to meet a variety of printing needs. By adding chopped carbon fiber to PLA, Esun has enhanced the material's mechanical properties and given it a matte, frosted texture. Here we take an in-depth look at the pros and cons of Esun PLA CF filament. Pros. Enhanced strength and modulus. Esun PLA CF filament combines the ease of use of PLA with the strength-enhancing properties of carbon fiber. The organic infiltrated chopped carbon fiber significantly boosts the filament's strength and bending modulus. This makes it ideal for functional prints where higher mechanical performance is required, such as tools, jigs, and parts subjected to stress. Matte, shine-free appearance. A notable feature of Esun's PLA CF is its unique matte finish. The carbon fiber infusion gives the filament a frosted texture, resulting in prints with less visible layer lines. This aesthetic advantage is perfect for those seeking visually appealing models that don't require extensive post-processing. The matte look can make prints look more professional, suitable for both decorative and structural uses. High compatibility with printers. Esun's PLA CF is highly versatile and compatible with most FDM 3D printers, including popular brands like Anycubic, Creality, and Voron. For users of high-speed printers, such as the Anchormake M5, Bamboo Lab X1P1P, Creality K1 Ender 7, and Raise 3D Pro 3R MF5000, this filament also adapts well to faster printing speeds without sacrificing quality. Cons. Pullaway. Abrasiveness. One downside to carbon fiber-filled filaments is that they are more abrasive than standard PLA. This characteristic can lead to faster wear on standard brass nozzles, potentially damaging them over time. To counteract this, users are advised to use hardened steel or ruby-tipped nozzles to prolong the life of their 3D printer components. Esun's carbon fiber-filled PLA is an impressive filament for those looking for enhanced strength and a unique, matte appearance. With its excellent printability, compatibility with various FDM printers, and reduced shrinkage, it's a reliable choice for both aesthetic and structural applications.